Okay, let's look at the answers that you submitted for your daily language review today. So number one, we're looking for our intensive pronoun. An intensive pronoun is a pronoun that adds self or selves. So she baked the cake for my birthday herself. We know it's herself because we're talking about a girl because we said she. So we're taking that, we're adding it into the predicate form, which is her, and adding self. Okay? Number two, which of the following can be conspicuous? Conspicuous is something that stands out, something you notice. So, an extremely tall person, a lighthouse on a cliff, and a neon pink car. Those are things that are abnormal that would stick out the most. If it said inconspicuous, that is something that you would never see. It's kind of hidden, so that would be the pebble on the ground. Looking at Greek and Latin roots, ab, away from. These are the choices that I kind of came up with: abstract, abrasion, abstain, absent, abnormal. You're away from normal, you're away from school, okay? You're away from being concrete, so that's what that ab means. If you came up with 3, that's good. 2, that's good. You know, we just want to keep trying to add more every time we get a new root. And we'll start learning some of those next week. A vague pronoun. A vague pronoun is something that is unclear, so we have to change it to make it clear. So Stuart told his dad that his bike had a flat tire. His is a pronoun, and we're not sure who his is. Is it Stuart's bike or is it dad's bike? So you need to take his out and add a specific name. So Stuart told his dad that his bike had a flat tire, or you can say that Stuart told his dad that Stuart's bike had a flat tire. Okay, so we got to be a little bit more specific. All right, and analogies, they should match up. So liar is to honesty. Those obviously are opposites, okay? So we need to find one that is the opposite. Fool is to wisdom. Those are opposites, so that is your correct answer. Hope this helps.